Hey, hello everyone, I hope you are doing well, and today I want to show you, to explain you tips or tricks about Awk. Awk is a very powerful language in the command line. For example, if you want to run a one-liner, it's a language. You can write some scripts with Awk, but in our case we want to use it in one line. And as an example, I want to explain you how you can count in a file how many occurrences do we have for a pattern into this file, and display the result. So to take an example, I just installed before an Nginx here. You can do the same things, and after that I want to generate some logs. So I use a while true loop, and be careful, of course, when you use the while true, a curl on our local host, and done. So we generate some logs, of course, and after that I want to do the same thing to have different IP with the external IP, like here. And after that we can work on the varlog nginx access log. If we check varlog nginx access log, so you have many lines, and if you just want to check, we have, for example, we can begin to use Awk. And to use Awk, what we can do, we can use Awk on the file varlog nginx access log. And what we want to do, for example, here you can see we have a tab separator, and by default Awk use the tab separator. If you want, you can change the separator with the -f option and specify just after a new separator, for example dot or dash, etc. So now what we want to do, we want to just display the first field. So the first field is this IP, the IP, and now we want to print, so you use print and $1 for the first field. Okay, we have many IP and line for this IP, but we have only 2 IP, because when we just use sort-u for unique, you can see we have only 2 IP. So we want to count how many occurrences do we have for each IP. So to do that with Awk, it's a little bit more complex, of course, but it's easy to do that. What we want to do, we want to create an array, and in this array we want to push the IP. So this is like, for example, by default, when you use an array, usually you use 0, 1, etc. But in our case, we want to create a key for this array, an index for this array with the IP $1. And by default, we want to increment this index with an auto increment with ++, and that like, for example, when you do that, we have 2 IP, for example, this IP, and each time we match this IP, we increment. So the first time this is 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. So now we have an array with the key and value. The key is the IP, and the value is just the count about how many occurrences do we match for this IP. After that, we want to print at the end in the footer, because if we print the result of array at each line of our access log, we just see IP and 1, 2, 3, etc. So we don't want to have it. We just want to print the latest value of this this index. So to do that, we use the end clause to edit a footer. So with that, we are sure to print at the end the result. So we use end, and after that we open curly brackets, and we can use the for loop of awk. And to use the for loop of awk, we need to use some characters and IP. And after that, IP is just an occurrence of array, so we just go through our array, and for each line about our array, so in our case we have only 2 lines, the local host and the external IP, and the IP here. And after that, what we can just print the IP. So if we do that, we are in the footer, and we print only each occurrence do we find for each IP. So this is like our previous command with the sort -u for unique, and we can see each IP. But we want to print the number of occurrence, so I can add a separator like here, and after that we want not only print the IP, but we want to print the value of our index, of our IP occurrence. So to do that, we can use again array, but we want the result about the array for our specific IP in our loop, our awk loop. So when we do that, we have the result, and you can see here the count about, for example, our external IP. We have 789 occurrence, and for the local host, we have 950 occurrence. So this is a little bit tricky, but really interesting to do that, because we do that with just a one-liner. So this is really interesting to do it, I think. That's it for today. Thank you for following this video. Don't hesitate to subscribe to the Xavkey channel, and like and comment this video.